Hey gang, in this video we are going to take a look at Mold, which is a really cool CLI Rust utility that I've been using a bunch. It's an AI image generation that you can run locally. It talks a lot about GPU here. I'm running it on Mac, on a MacBook, and it does a bunch of cool things. You can find it at utensils.io/mold. Here is the repository for it, and I was just going to walk you through couple quick examples of what it can do. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to grab this neon thing. And I've just got a Scratch shell script here so you can see it, and I can kind of throw some stuff in there. So we're going to grab this and we're going to say mold expand neon cityscape. So I'm going to run that. And it's going to come back and give me this big long prompt. Now I'm going to drop that into an image generator. So I'm using Flux Decline Q4, and we're going to run that. Now I'm doing a width of 512 and a height of 512. There's no local, just stops it from trying to call a server that I'm not running, and no metadata, just keeps the file a little bit smaller. It doesn't embed any of the AI metadata. So we're going to run that. Cool. So we got our image back. There is our, I guess, our neon city. I'm going to copy that file name. And we're going to try another feature, which is like image to image. So we're going to run this guy. I'm not going to say anime illustration because I think that's going to be a little too close. So let's say pencil sketch. So we're going to turn that into a pencil sketch. Now this strength right here determines like how wild it can get with it. The higher that value is, or the closer to 1, I think, the more likely it is that you're just going to get it an entirely different image. So I think 0.5 has been working pretty well for me. So we're going to run that. Cool. So here is our SDXL pencil sketch, I guess. We could have messed around with it more. And then the last thing I'm going to do is upscale that guy. So I'm going to grab this file name. Now I will point out that it's going to use my previously installed. So if I run list here, you can see I've got all of these guys installed, and the one the upscaler that I've got installed is going to do ×4. So if we go look at this guy, this is the current size. Okay, so we're going to run this. Cool. So we got our new image. And if I put those side by side, you can see this is actually 4 times as big. So there you go. That is a quick look at Mold. I'm using it for a bunch of things. It's progressing really, really quick. I think when I first started using it, they didn't have half the features. They now just added video production or video creation from text. I haven't really messed with that much because my machine's not that powerful. But there's a lot going on there. It's very cool. I highly suggest you check it out.